Have you ever thought of starting a car rental business? Whether that be starting a Turo rental car business or whether that be starting a brick and mortar car rental business. In today's video, I am going to talk to you about the 3 major benefits of forming an LLC for a car rental business. Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm the managing attorney here at Molai Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without having to deal with the complicated legal forms. Our Done For You service is backed by over 2,700 plus 5-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business too. The purpose of these videos are to provide you with as much guidance and clarity in the beginning stages of starting a business. So if you haven't already, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, as well as the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. Before I start talking, the information I am going to discuss in this video is intended to be general information, and it's always advised that you speak with a professional. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's talk about the 3 major benefits of forming a car rental LLC. The first major benefit that an LLC has to offer car rental businesses is what's called personal liability protection. What personal liability protection means is in the event that liability arises, your personal assets will not be liable. What I mean by this is during the course of business, for example, you rent out your car to someone, and during the course of business, that individual who had rented out your car gets into an accident. Assuming all the contracts were in order, having the LLC would separate your personal liabilities from your business liabilities. So in that event, the LLC would provide you with that personal liability protection, which means your personal house, personal car, personal bank account, etc. would be protected. Again, if you want to learn more, make sure you speak with a professional. When forming car rental businesses, you're renting vehicles to individuals that you have never met before. All you have is their driver's license, their driver's record, and little detail to really understand who this individual is. And so in order to protect yourself fully, in order to have that peace of mind, it's highly recommended that you look into registering an LLC and of course speak with a professional to learn more. Now let's go ahead and talk about the second major benefit. The second major benefit that a car rental LLC has to offer is going to be potential tax savings. And the reason why I say this is because an LLC can be taxed primarily 4 different ways. It can be taxed as a single member. It can be taxed as a multi-member. It can be taxed as a C corporation, or it can be taxed as an S corporation. The type of election that you choose for your LLC will determine the amount of tax savings that you will receive. But again, that flexibility that LLCs offer to choose what election, what tax election to have, again, whether that be a single member, whether that be a multi-member, whether that be a C corporation or S corporation, LLCs provide that. And so when it comes to a car rental business, individual may either self-fund the car rental business, they may partner up with a friend in order to fund the business, they may look for outside investors, looking for private equity, etc. And so depending on the plan an individual has to raise resources to fund this car rental business, the tax election is very important in order to save the most when it comes to tax savings. And so if you want to learn more about LLCs, tax elections, how you can save in taxes depending on the certain tax election that you choose, I recommend you speak with an accountant. But with that being said, that brings me to the third and final major benefit a car rental LLC offers, and that's going to be the ability to open up a US business bank account. So not only do you have the personal liability protection, right, the separation between personal and business, not only do you have the flexibility of being able to choose a specific type of tax election that you want to have, again, depending on the plan the individual has to raise funds. Third major benefit here is going to be the ability to open a US business bank account. Opening up a US business bank account will allow an individual to then get a business credit line, and from there they'll be able to reinvest any sort sort of business expenses that may arise, whether that be maintenance of the vehicles, whether that be contracting with certain insurance agencies, etc. All of that would be able to be done via the business credit line. Again, everything would be a business expense. And if you want to learn more about how to tax deduct business expenses, speak with a professional. If you happen to enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, as well as the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. If you want to learn a little bit more about what I talked about in today's video, make sure you click the link in the description box below to book your free call with someone who can help you better understand what I just talked about. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise.